In this video, we will show you how to update the software on a 530 S, U, DU and BP case pump. To update the software, you will need to install Watson-Marlow Device Programmer onto your computer. This can be obtained along with the latest software update on request through your local WM/FTS representative. You'll need a USB-A to USB-B cable. Before commencing the update procedure, make a note of your current pump configuration settings, as they will reset as part of the update. Turn off the pump. Remove the pump from the process and disconnect any control wiring. Connect your computer to your pump using the USB cable. Power the pump. When connected to the computer, the HMI on the pump will remain blank. Unzip the software. Open Watson-Marlow Device Programmer. A dialog box will show. Select Main Internal Flash. Click on the lower Choose button. Navigate to the unzipped software update folder. Select the .dfu file starting with the word main. Click Open. The dialog box should display File correctly loaded. Select Upgrade. A progress bar will appear. This update can take up to 1 minute. Once complete, the dialog box should read Upgrade successful. Select HMI Internal Flash. Select the lower Choose button. Select the .dfu file HMI Flash and open. The dialog box should display File correctly loaded. Select Upgrade. A progress bar will appear. This update can take up to 3 minutes. Once complete, the dialog box should read Upgrade successful. Select HMI SPI Flash. Select the lower Choose button. Select the .dfu file HMI Resources and open. The dialog box should display File correctly loaded. Select Upgrade. A progress bar will appear. This update can take up to 10 minutes. If you have a Profibus pump, repeat for the Profibus internal flash. Once complete, close Watson-Marlow Device Programmer. Switch off the pump. Remove the USB cable. Turn on the pump. Select Menu. Navigate to Help. Select Software. You can confirm the installed software version. Select Home. Select Menu. Navigate to General Settings and select. Navigate to Restore Defaults. Select Confirm. Select Reconfirm. Once reset, perform a power cycle. You can now reinsert your preferred configurations. Thanks for watching.